Good afternoon. I am going to show you guys the setup that we got going on and what's happening with our contactors. I figure that making this video would maybe shed some light on some issues and maybe save us from having to take out the controller and get it shipped, because things seem kind of healthy at the moment. So what you can see here, our setup, mechanical engineers that can do wiring. Not my work. Over the past couple of years, there have been about 30 different hands on this vehicle, so it's kind of a mixing pot of everyone's abilities. It's hit and miss. But anyway, so we are using the Manzanita micro charger. You can see here, according to my colleague that does all the work on the charging and the batteries, that everything is hooked up. We're just hooked up to the, I believe, the 210 circuit. At the moment, we've got it swappable between that and then, of course, the standard plug where you can go find a charging station. We have one in our building made by Blink, but it is currently taken apart because it doesn't work, which is probably one of the reasons why they struggled. But anyway, so back here we have just an ice cube relay that's hooked up to allow our charger to charge whether or not it's plugged in. It allows the battery management system to operate all that. Our lovely battery pack here with our Calb 100 amp hour LiFos. So an interesting correlation that I've discovered this morning. When the vehicle is plugged in and the charger is on currently right now, it does sound like it is charging the battery pack, but when we turn the key on, it will change that and not allow it to do that. But leaving that all on, right now the vehicle is off. When the key switch is turned on, our electric power steering comes on. We see there our 12-volt battery voltage, our driver position that communicates with our ECU, as well as some accelerator pedal percentage stuff there. I'll show you here in our battery management GUI. Currently SOC is not calibrated, but we are reading 100% with a voltage around 345. Cell voltages seem okay. There may be one that's a little low. Our average is 3.3, which everything seems to check out. Obviously we have a fault because right now we're plug and drive. But what I wanted to show you is when we shift this to any of the drive positions, I have drive enabled just hardwired, so you'll hear the main contactor engage. And so from that, it sounds okay. As far as the main contactor engaging, the interesting thing is that when I turn off the charger, I'll shut the vehicle off, rinse and repeat. We will turn off the charger and unplug it. We will try that again, and actually you guys may luck out and it may work for you, so we'll see. Car back on. Battery voltage is still above 12, so that checks out. Pack voltage is still respectable, 340 some odd. It looks like our capacity reading may be a little low. I don't know how that BMS calibrates all that. It is estimating that we are at 50 amp hours in our pack, which shouldn't be correct. But anyway, on the contactor issue, engages. It's probably going to work perfectly for you right now. Of course. Well, I'm going to end this video since it's not working. I'll see if I can get it to act up for you and send you that video.